Discover 7 essential vitamins you simply can't skip if you want to combat diabetes and lower blood sugar levels quickly. The common belief is that vitamins only play a supporting role. But what if I told you there are vitamins that can naturally help reduce insulin resistance? These vitamins work to season your body's blood sugar balance, much like how a master chef selects spices to turn a dish into a masterpiece. It's time to uncover these secret ingredients that will empower you to take control of diabetes. In this video, we'll dive into the top 7 vitamins you don't want to miss if you or a loved one is living with diabetes. Make sure to stick around until the end, because the last vitamin is a unique one that often gets overlooked. Let's get started. Number 1, Vitamin E. I bet you've seen this name pop up on a label or in some article before. But hey, it's not just a pretty name on the packaging. If you're living with diabetes, this is one vitamin you absolutely can't overlook. Let's start with vitamin E's main job, dealing with those pesky free radicals. You know them, right? They're like the troublemakers at your body's party, damaging cells and causing chaos. Vitamin E. It's the party's bouncer, cleaning up the mess and keeping your blood vessels safe from harm. In fact, one study found that taking 400 IU of vitamin E daily can help protect your cardiovascular system. And wait, there's more, it also helps your insulin work better. Think of insulin as a delivery worker, transporting glucose to where it's needed. But if insulin gets sluggish, glucose piles up in your bloodstream, and that's when trouble starts. Vitamin E acts like a personal trainer for insulin. Come on, stay sharp, work faster. The result? More stable blood sugar levels and a healthier body overall. Oh, and one more thing, vitamin E also keeps your skin looking smooth and radiant. Many people with diabetes struggle with skin issues, but vitamin E works like an internal moisturizer. Imagine applying lotion, but this time it's from the inside out. How cool is that? Now you might be wondering, where can I get my vitamin E? Honestly, you don't need to pop supplements every day if that's not your thing. Make it fun, grab a handful of crunchy almonds for breakfast, spread some creamy avocado on toast, or enjoy a plate of garlicky sautéed spinach. That's how you stay healthy while making your taste buds dance. Or, if you're more of a keep it simple kind of person, just take a vitamin E capsule and get on with your day. No judgment here, I promise. Number 2, Vitamin B6. A lesser-known member of the vitamin family, but trust me, it's the conductor orchestrating the symphony of health inside your body. Especially if you're managing diabetes, B6 will surprise you with what it can do. First off, it helps your body process glucose more efficiently. That's right, B6 supports carbohydrate metabolism, meaning it ensures sugar goes where it's supposed to. For someone with diabetes, you know how crucial this is. Even a small balance in glucose levels can make a huge difference. But wait, there's more. Vitamin B6 is a superstar in reducing the risk of diabetic-related nerve complications, such as peripheral neuropathy, that tingling or sharp pain in your hands and feet that you might have experienced. Fascinating research shows that getting enough B6 can help ease these discomforts. In short, B6 acts like a maintenance technician for your nervous system, keeping everything running smoothly. And that's not all. B6 also helps stabilize your mood. Yep, besides supporting your body, it plays a key role in producing serotonin, the happy hormone. So, if you're feeling a bit down, it might be your body's way of saying, I need more B6. Where can you find B6? Don't worry, you don't need to scour the supermarket shelves. Foods like bananas, potatoes, salmon, and chicken breast are all rich sources of B6. Picture a chicken salad with banana slices for dessert, delicious and packed with nutrients. And if you're not in the mood for meal prep, just pop a vitamin B6 supplement and you're good to go. Easy, right? Number 3, Vitamin B12. Don't let it just be an unfamiliar label on a supplement bottle. B12 is like a core gear in your body's machinery, and for people with diabetes, it's a real lifesaver. What does vitamin B12 do? First, it's your nervous system's best friend. For those with diabetes, especially type 2, long-term use of metformin, a common medication, can lower B12 levels in your body. The result? Tingling, muscle weakness, and even a loss of control in your limbs. But when you get enough B12, things take a turn for the better. It's like a soft cushion, protecting your nerves from damage. B12 also plays a vital role in producing red blood cells. It's essentially your body's blood factory. This means supplementing with B12 helps you avoid the fatigue and weakness you might have grown accustomed to. Studies show that prolonged B12 deficiency can lead to anemia, and trust me, no one wants that. On top of that, vitamin B12 supports brain health. Did you know it helps maintain memory and mental clarity? So, if you're constantly forgetting where you left your keys, it might be your body's way of calling out for more B12. Where can you find B12? Here's the good news: B12 is mainly found in animal-based foods like eggs, salmon, lean beef, and milk. Picture this: a morning plate with scrambled eggs, whole grain toast, and a glass of milk, delicious and nutritious. If you don't eat animal products, no worries. You can always opt for supplements or fortified foods like cereals. Number 4, Vitamin C. It's not just that fizzy tablet you grab when you feel a cold coming on. For people with diabetes, vitamin C is like a gold medal in the world of vitamins. Let's start with the first benefit: oxidative stress. This is a silent troublemaker in your body, especially if you're living with diabetes. But guess who steps up as the hero to combat oxidative stress? That's right, vitamin C. Think of it as a protective shield for your cells, preventing damage and keeping everything running smoothly. But that's not all. Vitamin C also helps reduce inflammation, a common challenge for people with diabetes. A study found that taking about 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C daily can significantly lower inflammation and improve insulin sensitivity, a key factor in managing blood sugar levels. Vitamin C also works wonders for your blood vessels. Did you know that diabetes can damage your blood vessels, putting you at higher risk for cardiovascular issues? Vitamin C strengthens the walls of your blood vessels, much like adding reinforcement to a foundation. And, of course, we can't forget vitamin C's role in boosting your immune system. Nobody wants to catch a cold while already trying to manage diabetes, right? So, how can you easily get your dose of vitamin C? Luckily, it's found in plenty of everyday foods. A juicy orange, a few slices of sweet tart kiwi, or some fresh strawberries are all fantastic options. Want something heartier? Try crunchy red bell peppers. They're both delicious and nutrient-packed. Too busy for fresh fruits and veggies? A vitamin C supplement is always there to do the job. Easy and effective. Number 5, benfotiamine. Have you heard of benfotiamine? If not, get ready to be impressed. This isn't your typical vitamin you'll find on a grocery store shelf. Benfotiamine is a fat-soluble form of vitamin B1, thiamine, designed to be absorbed into your body more easily. Don't underestimate it just because it has an unfamiliar name. What sets benfotiamine apart from regular vitamin B1 is its enhanced efficiency due to its fat-soluble properties. This allows it to penetrate deeper into cells, elevating its protective effects. For people with diabetes, benfotiamine plays a critical role in preventing cell damage caused by high blood sugar, damage linked to what scientists call advanced glycation end products, AGEs. These AGEs are like silent destroyers, wreaking havoc on nerves, blood vessels, kidneys, and eyes, leading to complications no one wants to face. Did you know that peripheral neuropathy is one of the most common and uncomfortable complications in people with diabetes? Benfotiamine addresses this issue by boosting the enzyme transcatolase, a repair tool that converts harmful substances in cells into harmless compounds. A German study found that taking 300 milligrams of benfotiamine daily for 3 weeks significantly reduced pain and improved nerve function. But that's not all. Benfotiamine also protects blood vessels, a lifeline for people with diabetes. When blood vessels are damaged, blood flow to critical areas like the eyes, kidneys, and lower limbs decreases. This is why complications like retinopathy, kidney damage, and even limb amputation occur. Thanks to benfotiamine's ability to shield endothelial cells, your blood vessels get reinforced, reducing the risk of these severe issues. So, how do you add benfotiamine to your routine? The good news is you don't need to search far and wide. Benfotiamine is readily available as a dietary supplement and is super easy to use. A dose of 300 to 600 milligrams daily, as recommended by your doctor, can make a world of difference. And here's the best part: despite its powerful effects, benfotiamine is surprisingly affordable. Number 6. Magnesium. A familiar mineral with astonishing power, magnesium might be best known for relaxing muscles, but it does so much more. Think of it as your body's multitasking assistant, essential for maintaining overall health and effectively managing blood sugar levels. Magnesium plays the role of a silent commander in over 300 chemical reactions in your body. One of its most critical tasks is helping insulin work better. Imagine insulin as a key that unlocks the door for glucose, sugar, to enter your cells. Without enough magnesium, that key doesn't function properly, leaving glucose to build up in your blood, a recipe for trouble. Studies have shown that maintaining adequate magnesium levels can improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels, a big win for those living with diabetes. But that's not all. Magnesium is also the gatekeeper protecting your heart. Prolonged high blood sugar can damage blood vessels and put undue stress on the heart. Magnesium helps relax blood vessel walls, improve circulation, and keep blood pressure stable. Ever been jolted awake at night by leg cramps? That could be your body signaling a magnesium deficiency. This mineral not only helps muscles relax but also promotes better sleep, something we all need. Poor sleep can throw blood sugar levels out of control, making magnesium an essential ally. The good news? Magnesium is everywhere. It's found in everyday foods like spinach, almonds, pumpkin seeds, and even dark chocolate. That's right, dark chocolate isn't just a tasty treat, it's also an excellent source of magnesium. Here's a small tip: try a breakfast bowl with yogurt, a sprinkle of nuts, and a piece of dark chocolate. Delicious, healthy, and packed with magnesium, who could say no to that? Alright, you've made it this far, which means you're ready to uncover the final secret piece, a game changer for diabetes management that many people overlook. Number 7. Vitamin D. Don't mistake this for just a simple sunshine vitamin. Did you know that 42% of Americans are vitamin D deficient without even realizing it? That's right, nearly half the population is missing out on a crucial factor that impacts their health. For those living with diabetes, this number is even more concerning because a lack of vitamin D can make blood sugar management significantly harder. One study revealed that individuals deficient in vitamin D are 50% more likely to develop type 2 diabetes. Why? Because vitamin D plays a critical role in improving insulin sensitivity. But that's not all. Vitamin D is a protector of your blood vessels. High blood sugar can damage small blood vessels in your eyes, kidneys, and lower limbs, leading to serious complications like retinopathy or the risk of amputation. By reducing inflammation and protecting the endothelial lining of your blood vessels, vitamin D helps minimize these risks. In fact, research from Harvard University found that vitamin D supplementation can lower the risk of vascular complications in diabetic patients by as much as 33%. And what about vitamin D's impact on mood? I remember a friend once telling me that after consistently taking vitamin D supplements, she felt much lighter emotionally. It's true, vitamin D stimulates serotonin production, also known as the happiness hormone, helping you feel more positive, especially during gloomy winter days or when you're stressed about managing diabetes. So, how can you ensure you're getting enough vitamin D? Trust me, it's not complicated. Spending about 15 minutes in the morning sunlight daily is the most natural way. But if you're like me, someone who rarely has time to soak up the sun, then foods like salmon, eggs, fortified milk, or vitamin D3 supplements are excellent alternatives. Research suggests that 1,000 to 4,000 IU of vitamin D daily is an ideal range for most people. Don't overlook this powerhouse vitamin, it could be the missing piece to your diabetes management puzzle.